Hi everyone, welcome to my channel again. So today I tried preparing vanilla ice cream, which is one of my favorite ice cream, and I've tried it at home and it came out so well that I could not stop myself sharing with you. So without any further delay, let's get started.
So here I have taken whipping cream powder as well as normal milky mist cream. So first step is to prepare the whipping cream, for which I have taken half glass of milk and one full pack of whipping cream powder. This pack already has sugar, so I am not adding any extra sugar. Whipping cream powder is optional, but as I like ice cream to be slightly creamy, I have used this as well. Whisk it nicely till it gets the creamy texture. After this, I will keep this whipped cream in the refrigerator for some time. Next step is to whisk our cream. Here I have taken one small pack of milky mist cream. You can choose any brand of cream of your choice. I think all the cream works good for this purpose. Now whisk it really well for approximately 10 minutes until it gets the creamy texture and gets little fluffy. After which I will add our whipped cream, which I had made it earlier and kept it in the refrigerator. Now I'm adding my homemade condensed milk. Here I have taken 1 cup of condensed milk. Condensed milk is nothing but milk and sugar, so you do not require extra milk or sugar. Condensed milk is very useful as you can prepare any sweet dish or dessert using condensed milk. After this, I'm adding few drops of vanilla essence. Now mix it well and then add some chocolate chips. This is again optional, but I like it, so I have added this as well. Once done, now I will transfer this to a separate airtight container. Now tap the container so that ice cream gets settled. And again add some more chocolate chips. So now I'll keep this into refrigerator in the freezer for a few hours. It usually takes minimum 6 hours for any ice cream to set. Now let's see how the ice cream is looking. It is thick as well as creamy. Doesn't it look delicious? So do try it.
So I hope you liked the ice cream recipe today, and if you have liked it, please do share it with all, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.